Neha Kishore Thakur to be present you in behalf of I'm graduate, ma'am, and to introduce myself, firstly, uh, so could you just tell us, like, your journey from the teacher to the principal?
Okay. Well, a teacher is always going to be a teacher for our life. A journey which I started some 37 years ago evolved into a very memorable and cherishable journey. The journey which could not turn out to be so beautiful and gratifying without the immense support and love of my dear ones, my loved ones, my family, my siblings. My passion towards teaching and my determination towards my work has always tried me to work hard for the students' upliftment and creating a path for their bright future. Because I strongly believe that each child is unique, not only capable of learning, but also capable of succeeding in life. Most of all, my dedication on my role of teaching has brought about this day when I can handle it as a principal. It would not be complete without acknowledging the fact, the inspiration behind this position or this dedication was the golden words of John Kennedy, which always kept ringing in my ears and which was enough to get me going. I quote, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. Okay, Neha?
Yes, ma'am. So, could you just tell us, like, did you face any challenges, or what were the special students? Could you just tell us what is the main criteria or the learning or development for the special students? Could you just explain us in briefly that what is important?
Okay, the challenges. See,
Yes.
teachers' role is a very important role. Teachers are in a seat of power. I should be aware of the children's cognitive needs. When I say cognitive needs, means how does the child remember? How does the child forget? How does he remember? How does he know? The focus on one base, one can improve a child's life to make sense of the world. Getting the parents to accept that their child is a special child. Once the parents are convinced, the work becomes easy to address the issue. And then there is no looking back. Mind you, this is not the end of the road, Neha. In fact, collaborative efforts from the school team with their inputs and guidance, the child is enabled to work in a very effective way and to resolve his concerns. And of course, even the parent support as a team, the father and the mother, they play a vital role to work as a team for the child's betterment. I say together, the school, the teacher, the parent, together we are a force. Right, Neha?
Yes, ma'am, that's right. So, ma'am, like, could you just tell us, like, when did you feel that, these special students needed to be addressed? Like, just tell us, like, in short or in brief, like, what do you feel? Like, when do you feel that?
Over the years, I realized the number of special children were increasing. And I felt as a teacher, it is my prime duty to address this issue. So I took it upon myself to deal with these children and how to study and how to cope up from their school life day to day school life. I truly believe that the seeds of greatness lies within every child. They simply need to be nurtured. Catch them young. Learning will be a lifelong experience, Neha. Hence, early interventions of any difficulty or disorder needs to be addressed as early as possible. It is of paramount importance to identify these special children in case they are unable to cope up in the class, in case they are unable to cope up with academic, whether it's reading, whether it is writing, or whether it is numerical. We should also focus on their physical, mental, and emotional well-being to understand their concerns in a broader spectrum. At times, we have to take the support, the guidance of expert counselors, health professionals, special educators to resolve the issues. And finally, I would say, I never lose. Either I win or I learn.
So, ma'am, it was like great listening to you. So the next question I have it for you, it is like, could you just tell us or your views about how important is mentorship, or what do you feel is mentorship?
Mentoring and teaching, I must tell you, they go hand in hand. Mentoring and teaching, they go hand in hand. Teaching is to a number of students in a class, and mentoring can be one student or maximum a handful of students. Thus, it involves a lot more personal interaction about mentoring someone. It is so fruitful and unique to mentor someone. The mentee, that is the students, they get to learn things directly on a personal front.
Okay.
Many students have this raw talent, and to utilize this talent in the right direction, the mentor plays a very important role. It is a mentor who can recognize the potential capacities of the mentee and nurture it into a constructive use. It is again a mentor who motivates him to be positive and competitive. A mentor will help him to enhance his self-esteem, understand his weakness, strengths, needs, interests, etc. and can club these aspects of personality to bring out the best in him. A mentor should be like a friend so that the comfort level is maintained, where the mentee, the student, can talk to him because he knows there is somebody who's ready to listen to him, and the student can talk to this mentor on a one-to-one basis, face-to-face, without any hesitation. Yes, a mentor always says, let's do it, and never says, you go and do it. A mentor can take his mentee's dreams to the next level. A true mentor will leave no stone unturned to ignite that passion and enthusiasm in the learner's mind. Finally, here I conclude, never give up. Great things take time. Right, Neha?
Yes, ma'am, that's correct. Thank you so much. So, ma'am, as you know, as you said, like, there are a lot of teachers in this generation who are coming up with different, the world is full of techno savvy now. So, what address you would like to give to the teachers or to the new people joining up in this field? So, do you have any message for them?
Having had the good fortune of being a teacher for more than 3 decades, I had to say things have become very easy for the teachers. The learning teaching process has been revamped to a great extent. Today, the teachers, they need to be techno savvy, they need to be creative, they need to be innovative. At the click of a button, everything is at their disposal. And my advice to young, dynamic, and dashing teachers would be to instill in them the quality of resilience. Resilience, a person's mental ability to recover quickly. Be the teacher to lead the children to new opportunities in life. So the new generation teacher has to self-educate herself. Since you carry the responsibility of nation's education, you are a nation builder, and this profession is considered very noble with huge respect. So we need to ensure that this new generation teachers maintain ethics and work standards. we see children, Neha, coming from different walks of life with all sort of abilities and disabilities. A teacher has to be aware and identify his abilities and applaud his abilities and ignore his disabilities. She should not be partial. She should not be biased. A teacher has the master stroke that can turn the ordinary into extraordinary. And therefore, this profession supersedes other jobs. Finally, any education is incomplete unless and until it leads to strong character. A character is built when children have strong beliefs and principles. So providing the 21st century with value education is the need of the hour and is required in the world. So again here, a teacher plays a very vital, very major role in shaping the student's personality. Once a teacher, you will always be a teacher.
That's correct. So, ma'am, to conclude the session, I would like to tell you or the things which are important for career and development. You believe mentorship is the most important aspect, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So, ma'am, could you just tell us the one success story? Could you like share with us, with the whole people, where you can tell us about the special children or
I can tell you, I really cannot put on any case, and there have been so many cases in my long span of 37 years. I helped different age group of students who had learning difficulties. I really felt so gratified when I have created and designed their teaching strategies. And today, these children, they are doing so well. They are well placed and they have successful careers. To cite anyone right now, I can think of a boy whose father expired in a road accident. His mother, to make two ends meet, she was in dire difficulty, but she managed to put her child in this English medium school. And this child who had a learning difficulty, he had language problem, but his mathematical skills were excellent. And today I am proud to say that this boy is a mechanical engineer with the Siemens. Here I remember one quote: patience is power. With time and patience, the mulberry leaf becomes silk. Right, Neha?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I would like
And
to.
thank you. It was an honor to have you. And
I will just interrupt you.
yes.
I mean, I would like to end up this session with giving my credit, giving my, what do you say, credit to a principal. As I move onward in my journey as an educationist, I cannot miss expressing my gratitude towards Dr. Vandana Lulla. She has been a pathbreaker in addressing the needs of special students and has been my mentor and guide. I give Dr. Vandana Lulla the credit for having enhanced my passion for teaching these special children, so-called my shining stars. And I would like to conclude with Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore's quote: "A lamp cannot light another lamp. A lamp cannot light another lamp till it continues to burn. A teacher cannot teach till she continues to learn."
That's
the end
great,
of my
ma'am.
journey from teacher to principal, Neha.
And ma'am, to give a shortcut intro about I Am Graduate, basically I Am Graduate is a group of professionals what we have got in under one roof. Okay, coming up with various sectors, that is KPO, BPO, banks, ITs, non-ITs. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are actually training people, placing people, mentoring people to come up. If suppose for an example a person has just come out of 10th standard, okay, so I Am Graduate is helping that candidate or student, okay, to just not have a bookish knowledge, okay, but to give a pure practicality towards life, practicality towards towards the organization, that what all the challenges or difficulties you will be facing when you go ahead with your career, your studies, ma'am. So that is the reason today we had you, and it was a great pleasure to
Thank
have you
you,
on our.
Neha. A nice interaction. And I must tell you here, Neha, if you anytime in future you require my help, my guidance, my support, I'm always there for you guys. Thank you very much. And
Thank you, ma'am, and it was nice. Thank
thank
you
you.
so much.
God
Bye.
bless. Good night. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you.